Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. If you are planning to book your exam in the month of November 2021, that's IELTS exam or UKVI or Life Skills, or you have already booked your exam and want to know that what kind of exam you might expect in the month of November, then this video is definitely for you guys. So let's start today's video, in which I'm going to give you the dates of the examination and what level you can expect in the examinations. So first, I have checked it for the Amritsar location, that is pen paper based IELTS academic exam in November month. It's going to be 6th, 11th, 13th, 28th, 27th. This is from the official IDB website. And on the right hand side, it's a computer delivered exam which is in November. You won't have exam on 3rd, 4th and 19th of November for the computer delivered. Rest it's available for the whole month. Further, for the pen paper based IELTS journal training exam, the location I have checked is for the Jalandhar. Yes, like you have academic 5 pen paper based exams in November, but general training only 4, that is on 11th, 13th, 20, 27. And for the journal training computer based exam, it's every single day in November month except 3 days, that's 3rd, 4th and 19th. And all the dates are available as they are in green. That means you can still book your exams because the dates are available. You still have a seat to book this exam. Further, this is for the IELTS for UKVI. Like I told in the October month that the IELTS UKVI is also started for the computer delivered exam, but this is for the pen paper based exam. So IELTS for UKVI for academic in Jalandhar location. Mostly I always check for the Chandigarh, but this time I'm checking for the Jalandhar location. You only have one date, that is 11th of November on Thursday. Further, for IELTS for UKVI journal training exam for checked for the Jalandhar location, it's 11th of November 2021. Life skill exams. So life skill exam, there is 2 type of life skill exams, A1 and B1. For the A1, you have 2 dates available in the month of November, that is 18th of November and 25th of November as per the Jalandhar location. And for the life skills B1 exam, same dates as the A1 exam of life skills for the Jalandhar location, 18th and 25th of November. So guys, those were the dates for the November month for IELTS pen paper based computer delivered exam, academic, GT, UKVI, ACN, GT and life skills A1 and B1. So now let's see what kind of exam or level we can expect. So our first IELTS pen paper based exam is going to be in November month on 6th of November 2021. It's a Saturday on this day, and we have only IELTS academic exam, and it's going to be mostly easy. The second exam in the November month will be on 11th of November 2021. This is a Thursday, and on this date we have both IELTS academic and a journal training exam, and this exam is going to be easy to moderate. So listening you can expect easy, and reading you can expect easy to moderate. The third exam for the November month for IELTS will be on 13th November 2021. It's a Saturday on this date. We have both IELTS academic and a journal training exam, and this exam is going to be easy to moderate. So you can expect the listening to be easy to moderate and reading to be little moderate. Maybe one passage will be moderate and rest will be easy or easy to moderate type. Our second last exam, that is the 4th exam in the month of November, will be on 20th November 2021. Saturday on this day, both exams, academic and a journal training, and it is expected to be a moderate. So you can expect your listening to be easy to moderate and your reading to be moderate. Guys, these are just a summarized guesswork of the prediction that what level of exam you can expect. If you want to see the detailed videos for the November month examination, then those will be published probably by the next week. You can also check those out. Next, the last exam, that is the 5th exam in the month of November, will be on 27th of November 2021, Saturday again, and on this date we have both academic and a general training exam, and this exam will be moderate. So guys, we have only one exam on Thursday, that is 11th November. Rest we have all the exams on Saturday, that is 6/13/2027. There is only one academic exam alone, that is on 6th of November, and for the 11/13/2027 it's academic and general training altogether. For the IELTS for the UKVI in November, pen paper based is only and only on 11th of November, that is a Thursday on this date. Either it's a UKVI academic or a UKVI general training. There is only one date, that is 11th November, and this is as per the Jalandhar location. If you want to check for the Mumbai, New Delhi or Surat or Chandigarh, then you can check it on the official website of IDP. And lastly, for the life skill exam in the November month, there are two dates, that is 18th of November and 25th of November. Both dates are on Saturday, and it's for the Jalandhar location. You have either it's life skills A1 or life skills B1. They both are going to be held on 18th and 25th of November. Lastly guys, writing task 2 predicted topics from October to December 2021 new topics video is already available on the channel for you guys to watch. Just go through the video and see if you have ideas, and you can write if any of this kind of exam you receive in your actual IELTS examination. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Best of luck for your examination. Thank you and bye-bye. So students, that's all for today. So this is the November month dates for the IELTS examination. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Detailed videos of prediction will be published on the channel, so hit the bell icon so that you do get the notification when we publish those videos. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.